Ito yung Enchanted River sa Surigao mga lods, oh. Galing mga lods talaga. Kaya pala tinawag itong Enchanted River.
Welcome everyone to Enchanted
Kasi
River.
yung mga isda
Madayaw na
magsilabasan
pagkain
tuwing
sa
pinapakain
Enchanted
ng mga
River.
lods.
The daily fish feeding is shown to the public as a
Maawan
cultural
yung mga tao
segment.
tuwing tanghali
The
para
feed,
pakainin lang
which is
nila
only
yung
a small
isda.
portion of the daily food requirement
Magugulat
of the
daw,
fishes,
biglang
is actually a fresh catch
labasan
that is
sila,
part
mga
of their
lods.
natural diet. As part of connecting to our history, we are showing this tradition of fishermen of Hinatuan going back to the blue waters of the river.
Papakainin na nila
After
yung
a challenging
isda.
but bountiful fishing at sea,
Tingnan mo maya-maya
they show their gratitude
magsilabasan.
to Mother Nature by giving an offering to the spirits
Yan, oh.
of the underground spring.
Hinaw ng tubig.
The spirits are believed to be dwelling here where the fish abound. This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature.
Sarap. Pasubukan naman ng tubig. Makalain yung mga isda pala yan sa ilalim. Kainin na nila yan. Silabasan na sila lods pag tapon ng mga pagkain. Yun o. Oh, dami nila lods o. Malaki pa lods. Kaya matago yan sila lods. Lalabas lang yan sila pag pakainin. Pag hindi na pakainin, biglang mawala. Kakamangha talaga. Galak yun. Bawal kunin yung lods. Kasi may ano yun, may tagabantay. Dami talaga no. Wala na yun sila lods. Pwede na maligo yung mga tao dyan lods. Tapos pakainin nila ano yan, magsipuntahan yan sa ilalim. Sarap pa naman maligo pag ganito. May sounds yan sila, lalabas na yan sila, ibig sabihin, ano yan, feeding time na yan, diba? Alam din nila lods pag may kakain sila. Balang araw, makapunta din kami dyan doon. Sarap magpunta dito. Lugar na to. Para maranasan talaga. Paano nila pakainin yung isda. Tapos na yung pinakain nila. Maya maya yan, magsiwalaan na yan.